Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can edit your subtitles appearance on Netflix. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to change your subtitle appearance on Netflix, go click open a web browser. Sign into your Netflix account by going to www.netflix.com. Once you're signed into your profile, go to account settings by clicking on your profile picture at the upper right and selecting account from the drop down. Scroll through the bottom of the page and under Profile and Parental Controls, select your profile. Scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see a button that says Subtitle Appearance. Click on Change right next to it. And from this page, you'll be able to change your color font by clicking on this box right here. And you'll be able to see a quick preview of the selection right here on the display at the top. Choose your font type from the drop down. You can select your text size. You can even select the shadow for your fonts. Select the colors for the shadow. You can also view your subtitled in the colored box, selecting from the background category and change the background or the window of the fonts. After you're done with your selection, click on Save and you'll be able to change your subtitle appearance for your Netflix account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.